Welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to show you how to create a BioLink website that you can put in your Instagram or Facebook or TikTok bios, and it will link people to all of your other social media or your website or wherever you want to drive traffic to. So I'm going to come to the search bar here and I'm going to type in BioLink. And I'm going to hit enter. And now this is going to bring up some templates. So you have many different options to choose from. So just pick whichever one you like best. I'm going to go for this one, the second one here. And I do have a pro account, so keep that in mind. All right, so this is a frame. So I'm going to edit this just a little to show you what's possible. So I'm going to go ahead and click a photo of myself and drop it into the frame by hovering it over, and it will autofill. Now, instead of Olivia Wilson, I'm going to make this say Michaela. And then let's see, instead of blog, I'm going to have this say Etsy shop. And now, the great thing about this is if you click the word, you can go up here to the link button and you can type in your URL, or you can like copy and paste a link in here. So I'm going to go ahead and type in my Etsy shop, designedbymckay.com. So let me make sure I have it corrected here. And then I'm going to hit enter. And now this line underneath means that the link is working. So you can even click it and then come back up here and click and make sure that it's working. You can hit go to the link and see if it takes you to the correct page, which it did do. Now, what I recommend doing once you get all of these words linked and you're happy with it, come up to these three dots here and click on the website button. Now, I'm going to go ahead and open the website here. And now this is what it's going to look like when people click on it. And I'm going to click on Etsy shop and just make sure that it's working. So yeah, it's taking me to my Etsy shop, Designed by McKay, which is making me very happy. And now what I recommend doing is coming up here to the bar and just copying the link. So I'm going to hit Control C to copy. And now I'm going to open a new tab and I'm going to go to the Google search bar and I'm going to actually paste that. And I'm going to hit enter. Now you'll see it has brought me to the page with the link. It's clickable. And I hope this was helpful. Happy creating!